Imagine living in a picturesque golf community amidst the splendor of nature. With gracious golf course views from your balcony, you can take time out to appreciate beautifully serene vistas. You don't have to imagine anymore. Come discover the allure of the dunes. Located in the heart of the city, minutes away from shopping, dining, and entertainment experiences, living at the dunes feels like a getaway every day. A self-contained community which offers residents an unsurpassed Florida lifestyle where they can live comfortably, play championship golf, dine, and conduct business all within impeccably maintained landscapes. Our community is surrounded by beautiful residential communities, exceptional schools, as well as a wide variety of retail and commercial venues. Plus, you're only minutes away from all the theme parks and attractions. This gated community is when you will find the perfect lifestyle to suit all of your needs. Beautifully and immaculately landscaped on a world-class golf course, step out on your own private balcony and enjoy views of our own scenic oasis. There are 5 spacious floor plans to choose from. Whether you desire a 1, 2, or 3 condominium home, you will find the perfect one just for you to create your own personal ambience. If it is more space that you are looking for, there are also select number of optional storage and private parking garages. Enjoy volume ceilings, expansive windows, built-in entertainment centers and bookshelves, ceiling fans, and track lighting. Modern kitchens make cooking and entertaining a pleasure. Whether entertaining guests or spending time alone, this community is a welcomed retreat that is as unique as you are. For those who seek an active and social lifestyle, the clubhouse is located in the heart of the community. The clubhouse is a great place for social events where you can mingle with your neighbors. Utilize the business center, library, and movie checkout. For those who like to stay in shape, get fit in the fitness center or challenge your friend to racquetball or tennis located steps away from the clubhouse. At the fitness center, take advantage of the state-of-the-art fitness equipment. Take a dip in the sparkling lagoon-style pool. Relax in the heated spa or invigorate in the cold spa with cascading waterfall. If you just want to relax under the sun and lounge poolside, there are 3 pools that you can dip into to suit your every mood. Other great features of this community are picnic areas, car wash facility, sand volleyball court, and a beautiful championship golf course right outside your door, all conveniently located within a short walking distance. Come and discover for yourself all that we have to offer, the lifestyle you imagine.